Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a signature to your Word document. I will also show you how you can use quick parts so you can save the signature block and easily add it to other Word documents without going through the process again. Now, let's take this document as an example. Instead of printing it and signing the hard copy or scan a signature from a paper and add it to this document, I would like to add the signature directly in MS Word. One way is by using the Draw tool. First, go to your main tabs and look for the Draw tab. In case the Draw tab is not in your main tabs, hover your mouse pointer anywhere in the ribbon area. Then, right-click and select Customize the ribbon. Then in this area, check Draw and click OK. You should now have the Draw tab in your main tabs. Click on it and select the type of pen you would like to use. Then select the line thickness and the pen color. Then start signing your signature. You can use your mouse to sign or your laptop's touchpad. If you're using a laptop with touchscreen, that would be great too. Once done signing, click the Draw menu from the ribbon to remove the pen tool from your mouse pointer. We can then resize the signature created and move it anywhere in the document. The good thing about this is the signature has no background layer. Now, before we proceed saving the signature block, I want to show you another way of adding signature to your document. If you have a signature file, you can easily insert it instead of using the Draw tool. Just go to the Insert tab and click Pictures to upload your signature file. Then right-click on the signature and click Wrap Text, then select In Front of Text. This way, you can move the signature freely anywhere in the document and resize it. This signature is made by Artlogo. It is handcrafted by a professional calligrapher, and I love the style of this signature. It's very professional looking, yet has the approachable vibe in it instead of showing strictness. I also love that it's upward that gives an optimistic and forward-thinking perception. Artlogo creates professional signature logo that matches your personality and career. I'll leave the website link in the description below. As you can see, this signature from Artlogo is way better, so I'm going to use it instead. Now, we want to save the signature block so we can add it to other future documents as well without going through the same process again. First, highlight everything that you want to include in your signature block. Then, in your Insert tab, click Quick Parts and select Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. Assign a name and click OK. Now, to insert your saved signature block, just go to Insert and click Quick Parts. Right here, I can see the signature block and I just click on it. It's also applicable on any other document. Just go to Quick Part and the signature block will be shown as well. So now, you can easily add your signature on your Word documents. Please click the subscribe button to get updated for more video tutorials. Make sure to also check the Artlogo website in the description below.